how to make money with selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling digital planners on Etsy. I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money with this method. So here, open Etsy in your browser. So let's open Etsy and click on search, and here wait for it to load. Go to the search. I'm going first to show you some examples of the products that we will be selling. So here, let's go to the search, type digital planner and click on search. Wait for it to load, and these are the examples of the product that we will be selling. So here you can see that there are a lot of products in this niche, and a lot of them are popular, as you can see, and these are the prices that they sell them with. And if you are wondering, or if you are thinking that the price is very low, I would argue that you are making more profit than the people that are selling products for $30 or $39, because those people are selling physical products, and the physical products takes a lot of fees. For example, the fees of transportation, fees of delivery, the fees, all sorts of different fees that you won't even care about in this situation, because it's just a file. People will pay, then they will download the file directly, so there won't be any fees. And all of this, you will take all this $1 straight into your pocket. And I'm going to show you how many sales these people are making in a day. So first, let's check a product in here. Let's check this one, which is for $2. So let's wait for it to load. And here you can see all-in-one digital planner 2024, 2025, 2026, and dated digital planner. So these are the keywords, and he's selling it for $2, or her selling it for $2. Sale ends on May 30, and it's a bestseller in here. As you can see, this item has had a high sales volume over the past 6 months. So as I said, guys, this is a very good niche. You will make a lot of money with it, so just pay attention to the end of the video. So here you can see the reviews and other examples from the same shop. That's all. What are they making? Only the planners. As you can see, a shop for only the planners. So here, let's zoom and let's go to a website called Everbee. It's where we are going to see how much money these people are making. So let's go to Everbee, which is this platform or this website, and let's wait for it to load. Here, let's wait for it to load. Click on sign up. I've already signed, so it's just going to log me in. Let's wait for it to load, and here it is. Let's scroll down, wait for it, and here let's scroll down. Let's go to the search. So I need the search. Let's open this, and here let's go to the product analytics. Let's go to the product analytics. That's where we are going to see how much money these people are making. So let's wait for it to load again, and then we will go to the search and type the product that we want to spy on. So let's wait for this bee to complete flying. As you can see, it's still flying. Let's wait here. Let's go to the search, and let's type the name of the product, digital planner. Click on search, and let's wait for it to load. Again, the bee is flying, so let's wait for it to fly. It takes a little bit of time, guys. You need to be patient with it. and here analyze the data by search term, and here you can see some samples of the product that we saw before. This one, let's go for the ones with the lowest price. So here we have the one for $19, $10. Let's look for the one with the lowest possible price, $7. We want the one with the lowest of the lowest prices in order to match the ones here for $2, and we want to look for the one for only $5 or $2, just to show you the example of how much money they are making. So here, and here is one for $5. That's what we were looking for. And here, by scrolling right, you will see the reviews and the listing age. So this is the one for $5, and as you can see in here, it's this shop started in 28 months and they have more than 2,000 reviews. That means more than 4,000 people bought the product, and by taking the rule of not everyone that buys the product will leave a review, so we will go with half of the people that bought the product left a review. So that means they have more than 4,000 reviews, and you can just multiply $5 on multiplied by 4,000, and you will see how much money they made. And here you can see that more than 17,000 people have made it or have chosen that product to be in their favorites, which means they are coming back for it. And that's how you can see how much money these people are making. So with that being said, I hope you understand the method I'm going to show you. And guys, if you are wondering how you can find this product or where you can get it, you can just go to canva.com. You won't need to pay for anything in order to create this product. I will show you how you can do that easily. So here, let's go to canva.com, and we will have a lot of products like this. In Canva, you can just add your touch, change a little bit, and you'll have your own product to sell. So here you can type digital planner, click on search, and you'll have a lot of digital planner templates that you can make some changes to. So here you can see a lot of digital planner templates, just like the ones that these people are selling, and you can just make some changes, add your touch, and you'll have your product ready to be bought. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.